Hello everyone, it's Tom here. Today we're going to take a look at how we can solve a problem like this. So at first glance, we see an equation x to the power of 18 plus 1 over x to the power of 18 equal to 6. It's an equation with one unknown. So to solve it, we could multiply x to the power of 18 across the whole equation and get x to the power of 36 plus 1 equal to 6 times x to the power of 18. And if we solve for x, then we can substitute the value of that into the second equation and we get the answer. But of course we're not going to do that. If I was going to do that, you'd probably stop watching this video right now. So first of all, to solve this, I would substitute t equal to x to the power of 18. Okay, and now I'm going to rewrite the equation. T to the power plus 1 over t equal to 6. Okay, now next we need to do a bit of algebra here. So to understand the method, we need to understand the relationship between these two expressions. Okay, so it's t plus 1 over t all square and t minus 1 over t all square. Okay, so t plus 1 over t all square is equal to t square plus t times 1 over t plus t. I'm doing this from scratch so that you follow exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, equal to t square plus 2, because that's equal to 1, that's equal to 1 plus 1 over t square. Okay, and now we'll take a look at t minus 1 over t square. Okay, so we get t square first, and then we get minus t times 1 over t minus 1 over t times t and plus 1 over t square, which is equal to t square minus, that cancels out to 1, that cancels out to 1, minus 2 plus 1 over t square. Okay, so if we look at the relationship between these two, is that t plus 1 over t all square is actually, they only differ by 4. So if this we take away 4, we would get t minus 1 over t all square. Now what that means is that if we bring t minus 1 over t on this side, we will have t plus 1 over t all square minus 4 and square root of the whole thing. Okay, now t minus 1 over t here is actually what we want. Okay, so if you substitute t plus 1 over t, which is equation 3, is equal to 6, so it's equal to 6 square minus 4 all square, which is equal to 36 minus 4 all square, which is equal to square root of 32. Okay, so which means that x to the power of 18 minus 1 over x to the power of 18 is actually square root of 32. I hope you follow my method, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, bye!